Hey guys, check it out. VoroMotors.com sent us this small commuter scooter. It's a lot smaller than the typical monster scooters that I ride, but since I like all kinds of electric transportation, I thought I'd check it out. We're gonna unbox the scooter, take some footage of it around San Francisco, and then we're gonna do a giveaway. That's right, you can have this scooter for free. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and leave a comment in the box below. Check out the video description for all of the giveaway details. So let's open it up and see what's inside. There it is. All right, so in the box we have the scooter, a charger, 2 handlebars, a little hex key, and a manual. Let's go ahead and attach the handlebars first. It looks like these just screw on. And so to unfold the scooter, I think we just lift it up like this. Then this comes down. And there's a little kickstand here. So first impressions are that this is pretty lightweight scooter, definitely lighter than all the other scooters I have. Single hub motor. It feels like the construction is very sturdy. It's all aluminum here, which is really nice. The white is beautiful. Let's take it outside and get a better look at it. All right, here it is, guys. We have the Emove 2.0 electric scooter. Small little commuter scooter. Let's check out some of the features. So it has kind of the standard acceleration and brake here. Using regenerative braking. It's got a single motor in the front. A little power button here. I believe this is the charge port. Looks like it's a little waterproof seal. It has this magic red button here, and so to turn it on, you just hold it down. The refresh rate might be a little bit weird. This one actually has 2 gears, which is kind of unusual for a scooter this size, but I can double tap it to change from gear 1 to gear 2. And I say gear, but it's just in acceleration mode. And then I believe also if you tap this once, it turns on the front light here. There you go. So if I tap it once, it turns it on and off. On and off. This whole front thing is quite solid. I'm guessing there's batteries that go throughout this whole front tube here. These don't collapse, but it looks like they screw on and off very easily, so it's pretty easy to remove those. Looks like it's a solid rubber front tire. It does have these little springs on each side, so it's got 4 springs. Maybe that makes it a little bit more bouncy on the bumps and stuff. Kickstands in the front here, pretty standard. Short and stubby. Rear tire as well. Also looks like solid rubber, no motor. You might be able to use that to friction brake. Looks like you probably could. And then these look like potentially brake lights. Small little Emove scooter. Weighs about 15 pounds. It's the lightest weight vehicle I've ever had. Folding mechanism is super simple. You just pull on this little lever here. This folds down and you're good to go. It's super lightweight. To unfold it, you just click this thing below. I'll drop down. Specifications say this is about 1 meter long and about 1 meter tall when extended. Max load says it's up to 120 kilograms. Weight is about 15 pounds. Age is 16 to 50, so if you're over 50, I'm sorry, this is not for you. It's probably fine if you're over 50. Incline up to 12 degrees. Waterproof level I-55. It seems pretty waterproof. They've done a good job with all the seals and things like that. The battery is a 24-volt battery, and I believe you can get this up to a 10.4 amp hour. And charge time for the bigger battery is up to 6 hours. So this is definitely a last mile commuter scooter, maybe 2 or 3 miles max on this thing. If you're heavier, I wouldn't try to take this thing up hills, but for like short hops between a train station and the office or a bus in the office, this would be great. It's small enough that it should be able to go underneath the train seat, which is super handy, and it's light enough that you can carry upstairs if need be. Time to do some speed tests in the Emove electric scooter. I'm going to start on mode 1, and we're going to go down and back and record the top speed. All right, we were able to get that up to about 11 kilometers an hour. Whew. Let's crank it up, and we're going to go to mode 2 now. Let's see what it says here. So, mode 2, here we go. Mode 2, we were able to get this up to 18 kilometers an hour, and it took quite a while to get those last few kilometers out of it. The braking distance is also not great, so make sure you have your foot on this friction brake. Use that for braking if you need to. All right, guys, that's all we have for now for the Emove 2.0 electric scooter. Again, special thanks to VoroMotors.com for sponsoring this video. We're going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you don't miss out on the giveaway. There's a few ways to enter. One, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment in the section below. You can say anything. It should be a thumbs up, thumbs down emoji, whatever you want to say. 2, you can like and share the post on Instagram. Or 3, you can like and share the post on Facebook. Either one of these ways will get you an entry into the drawing, and I'll ship the scooter anywhere in the world. All right, guys, it's been fun. I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.